Well, that's a good sign. Literally, not even a couple minutes after I turn the camera off, it's booting. Which is a very good sign, because this battery would take forever to actually boot the Kindle, because it would have to charge it up to a sufficient amount, which again took a while. So, hey, now it actually works. Cool. Not registered. Yeah, it seems to be working. It's pretty nice. Go ahead and let it charge up a little bit more, and we'll come back to make sure it's taking, because if you remember from my last video, when we, used this battery, the Kindle would, even if I let it charge all the way up, like for hours, the minute I pulled it off the charger, it would pretty much start crying at the critical battery and go dead in a couple of minutes. So, let's see if this is pretty much done, and if so, we'll ship it. Alright, so in this video we're going to actually revisit an old project that I had shelved for quite some time, and that is my Kindle that I picked up for a steal when I got it for like $12. The battery is toast, but otherwise it's in really good condition, as you can see. And, well, I went on eBay and found a battery for $10, so let's go ahead and put this in, have ourselves a jolly good time. As far as I know, this is the only thing wrong with it. My plan is to just go ahead and sell this thing after this is done. Now, I'm pretty sure this is not actually... This might be genuine, I'm not sure. We're going to go ahead... I would compare if I had the original... Oh, I do have the original battery. Just have to actually get it out from under. So, same battery, same rating. Don't see anything different about them. So I think this might actually be genuine for $10. It's not bad. This thing is kind of turned into a pillow. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this all taken apart. Now, thankfully, they gave me some new spudgers, which you can never have enough of these. Spudgers are awesome things to have. This thing has like a just grip on this. I'm gonna go ahead and just wedge that one in there. This is where long nails really help a fair amount. This thing's being a pain. Oh. I'm gonna jump cut so you guys don't have to watch me do all this. There we go, just had to drive in a little bit deeper and this panel finally came out. So now the fun part is getting these screws. They're on the side here because there's like this rubber buffer here that gets in your way. Gonna have to come in at an angle. And your handy dandy magnetic pickup tool, because sometimes these screws just don't want to come out. Even with a magnetized bit, it just, they don't want to play nice a lot of the time. So now we just slide this down. There's our battery, and there's the screws right where I left them. Perfect. It's been a while since I actually messed with this thing. So I believe I still have the Kindle update on here. It wouldn't install because the battery was just that weak. So let's see if it works. This is not the right size driver for this. Is that going to work? There we go. This battery should have some charge on it, I would imagine. Let's go ahead and slap that back on. And hit power, I think. Should turn on. If not, I have USB lead here ready to go. In fact, I am going to plug that in right now. You know, it would help if I check the orientation of the plug before I do this. Got power. Going to assume it's gonna need a second probably. This battery may be completely flat and needs to recharge. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a second and we'll be right back. And there we go. Battery is completely flat. So I'm just going to let this thing charge up. But hey, it works. So far better off than we are with the pillow battery here. At least I think this is the pillow. Yeah, it's a little swollen. It doesn't smell new either, so... yeah, we're going to let this thing charge and we'll see how she works. Okay, it's had some time to charge, so let's go ahead and unplug it and see what happens. And battery's half full, so it is taking a charge. Much better than that battery did. Because I would fire it back up and it would be all the way back down, like within a couple seconds. So this is already looking pretty good. I just have to now... hey, I can type. I just have to update it now. I have to do that manually over a USB cable. It's gonna be the fun part because I don't. This is like one of my last micro USB leads, and I don't think it's got data lines. I think I have something that does, though. I'll have to go look for it. But yeah, I'm gonna call this done. Go ahead and update it and see what she can do. But till next time, I'll see you guys later. This thing actually functions pretty nice.